Today in Crypto is rolling out a new incubator, accelerator, and self-launcher that creates an entirely new system of wealth generation and funding for innovation. Worthpad is unleashing native dollar worth tokens, and recently announced a new content creator program for the platform. The platform operates as a decentralized, multi-chain IDO that connects investors in the dollar worth token with early-stage innovators and projects. Dollar worth holders have premium access to seed rounds, pre-sales and private sales of projects engaging in crypto. Users can also stake dollar worth tokens and earn tokens of all projects incubated and accelerated on the Worthpad launchpad. This is a passive income stream and it will generate wealth for the users till they keep staking dollar worth tokens. The cyclical wealth generation and new funding ecosystem that Worthpad is curating can be explained within 6 major buckets: the dollar worth token, the Worth DVC fund, the Worthpad launchpad, the platform smart contract foundry, Worthdex, and the insurance treasury. The dollar worth token funds and powers liquidity pools, with the opportunity to provide investors with passive income and bonus rewards. The DVC fund is funded by a 2.5% tax on all dollar worth transactions on the network and acts as the lead investor for selected projects for incubation and acceleration. So how are those projects selected? That takes us to the IDO launchpad, which serves as the primary incubation and funding tool, while still offering professional guidance, collaborative efforts, and marketing expertise for young projects. The IDO is compensated in tokens for accelerated projects that it has funded. This is all connected via the smart contract foundry. The foundry ensures that the platform maintains a status quo of secure, audited, and easily deployed token smart contracts, with open source code for user transparency. Meanwhile, the platform has been building a decentralized exchange, or DEX, to be operable on both Ethereum and Binance chains. The DEX will also operate with major established DEXs already on the market. The DEX will include an off-chain order book for high-frequency traders in order to minimize transaction fees, as well as an AMM aggregator to optimize prices for users. Finally, we get to the insurance treasury, which acts as a project safety deposit box. The treasury locks dollar worth tokens until the project is complete. Worthpad describes the treasury as the most critical risk management feature of the entire ecosystem. These tools collectively form an ecosystem that is an unparalleled incubator and accelerator program for entrepreneurs, project developers, and investors. Worthpad is providing innovators and entrepreneurs with opportunity by way of its incubator, geared towards concept stage startups, as well as through Earth's accelerator, which is building upon high-growth startups looking to scale and grow. DeFi and crypto projects on the cusp of substantial growth have never been so easy to invest in as they are now. The platform most recently announced its vertical bar. In his monthly crypto tech column, Israeli serial entrepreneur Ariel Shapiro covers emerging technologies within the crypto, decentralized finance, DeFi, and blockchain space, as well as their roles in shaping the economy of the 21st century. What's in a name? A whole metaverse is what one could be led to believe when looking at the buzz around Facebook's recent transformation into Meta. In reality, of course, there is more to the new name than that. There is also the whistleblower scandal, alongside the previous controversies tarring the company's image, as well as the encroachment of rivaling social media platforms that are more popular with young people. Ariel Shapiro is a father, entrepreneur, speaker, cyclist and serves as founder and CEO of Social Wisdom, a consulting agency working with Israeli startups and helping them to establish connections with international markets. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. In his monthly crypto tech column, Israeli serial entrepreneur Ariel Shapiro covers emerging technologies within the crypto, decentralized finance, DeFi, and blockchain space, as well as their roles in shaping the economy of the 21st century. What's in a name? A whole metaverse is what one could be led to believe when looking at the buzz around Facebook's recent transformation into Meta. In reality, of course, there is more to the new name than that. There is also the whistleblower scandal, alongside the previous controversies tarring the company's image, as well as the encroachment of rivaling social media platforms that are more popular with young people. Ariel Shapiro is a father, entrepreneur, speaker, cyclist and serves as founder and CEO of Social Wisdom, a consulting agency working with Israeli startups and helping them to establish connections with international markets. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Litecoin was trading at $292,400 by 16:43 GMT, on the investing.com index on Wednesday, up 17% on the day. It was the largest one-day percentage gain since November 10. The move upwards pushed Litecoin's market cap up to $20,138 billion, or 0.68% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. At its highest, Litecoin's market cap was $25,609 billion. Litecoin had traded in a range of $254,700 to $294,700 in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, Litecoin has seen a rise in value, as it gained 48%. The volume of Litecoin traded in the 24 hours to time of writing was $7,367 billion, or 32% of the total volume of all cryptocurrencies. It has traded in a range of $191,200 to $294,700 in the past 7 days. At its current price, Litecoin is still down 38% from its all-time high of $420,000 set on December 12, 2017. Elsewhere in cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin was last at $68,548.80 on the investing.com index, up 78% on the day. Ethereum was trading at $4,835.09 on the investing.com index, a gain of 30%. Bitcoin's market cap was last at $1,293.586 billion, or 51% of the total cryptocurrency market cap, while Ethereum's market cap totaled $572,138 billion, or 25% of the total cryptocurrency market value. Speaking at a 26 Colombian pesos press conference in Glasgow, Scotland on Wednesday, a panoply of experts from the tech environmental sector spoke to global citizens across the world about improving coordination and support for climate action with blockchain technology. The GloCha United Citizens Organization, UCO, for Action for Climate Empowerment has been launched at 26 Colombian pesos as a blockchain-based quasi-international organization located in Klagenfurt, Austria. It will now seek to utilize blockchain technology to advance climate change objectives in alignment with the United Nations, UN's, Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.